So that leads me to share with you our study. No? With my colleagues from the LSU before, we presented it in a conference in Tokyo last March, the Asian Conference on Education and International Development in last March. Well, the study found out no, this is about the reading ability and academic achievement of the students. We work on a specific grade level, grade 10 on that specific in this study. So we look at or we were able to get a significant relationship between the reading ability and the academic success in English of math and science. And also, the tool that we used here is the Lexia level scores of the students measured by readtheory.org. See, readtheory.org po is a free tool. No? It's a free, um, this is a website. You can use this one. It's a free online website that students can take quizzes and then they will know their Lexia score. No, puwede po nating gamitin 'yun. Meron kasing mga, companies 'no, na nag-o-offer sa mga schools. I know, some of you may familiar with it na, halimbawa yung Scholastica, 'di ba? Sa Scholastica nagbibigay sila meron silang mga reading programs that you can apply to your school para yung mga bata makikita nila yung Lexile scores nila. Tapos you can recommend books to the students, so that, 'yun, ma-improve yung reading comprehension nila. So in this study, gumamit kami ng 149 grade 10 participants. So we look into their Lexile reading scores through readtheory.com. Then the academic achievement of these students is measured by the participants' first trimester final grades in English, science, and math. So we look at the using some Pearson R correlation and so on, some statistical analysis. So results show that reading ability has a significant relationship with academic achievements. So when students receive a low Lexile reading score, they seem to get lower grades. Yun lang naman na-observe namin. So when students receive but when they have received or when they have a high Lexile reading score, they seem to get higher grades in their academics, like English, math, and science. So although of course there may be other factors that can contribute to obtaining higher grades. So this study shows that reading ability may be a contributing element. So pwede kasi types ng assessment naman, di ba? And so on. So but at least we found some correlation to the reading ability or the Lexile reading scores of the students. So just to end last few slides na to, last two slides na lang po, sorry. Recommendations for educators, and I want everyone, I'm open to some collaborations tayo, no? Let's work on it. No? Let's encourage a diverse reading material, or let's encourage diverse reading materials to our students. So introduce students to various types of texts and use appropriate reading materials as well. So like scientific articles, textbooks, and even popular science books. So that they can be familiar with all those different writing styles. So kayo nga 'di ba? So as teachers pag nagko-cross-reference tayo, 'di ba? Pag nandun sa kabila, for example na lang ha, very very classic example. Merong mga textbooks na gumagamit 'di ba? Speed for S. May mga na-encounter akong books na ganun. Tapos pagdating sa kabila, yung V na walang um, arrow head sa taas, no? Yun yung speed na ginamit nila. So, pag nagko-cross-reference tayo, so kapag na-expose yung students into a very diverse reading materials, mas maging familiar sila dun sa writing styles. Then, use collaborative learning strategies as well. You can do group discussions, so where students analyze readings together. In this one, it fosters deeper understanding through peer interaction. So we know that, no? Ito yung mga strategies na ginagawa natin sa school. And of course, comprehension techniques. So when we provide explicit instructions on how to comprehend texts, we teach them strategies, so such as skimming for main ideas, annotating key points, and summarizing paragraphs after reading them. So when we do that, we help the students in comprehend. No? Those are comprehension techniques that we can. So training may be provided for teachers as well. So to promote reading culture in their institution, so which will eventually lead to their students' reading comprehension development. So one that educational institutions can use in classrooms is a free, yung nabanggit ko kanina, free online application, which is the readtheory.org. This may be included in their English class to improve their students' reading ability. Administrators also should strengthen their school's reading programs by exploring innovations that technology can offer. So there are a lot of available technology right now, and by encouraging research in this field. So you as educators, hopefully, let's work on this one. So for future studies, interested researchers may include other grade levels also, and they may increase the population and correlate to other academic subjects. So pwede yan. Then also researchers can also consider focusing on the achievement in the students' written assessment. So tingnan natin yan, no? I'm open to some collaborations. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin magawa yan. But hopefully, for now, there's a lot or there's more to explore in this field. Hopefully, by sharing with you the things that so far our group, no, our some of my colleagues have been working on, there's a spark now. Let's maybe you've started it already, and I hope we can work on it. Yeah.